This video I show you how to fix "we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again" problem on Instagram. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, click on Instagram, up to date Instagram app, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, click on Instagram, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Save. Now I hope that this method fix "we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again" problem on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.